For dinner, we're having a Sunday English roast. We had chicken, roasted potatoes, honey roasted carrots, cheesy broccoli cauliflower, the Yorkshire pudding, and then homemade gravy. Because we like the homemade gravy better than the one that they normally use. And
Oh, you took this one?
yeah,
Sorry.
so good. Did you want some gravy or no?
No.
And I'm having it with a Dr. Pepper. Mm-hmm.
Too.
Yum, yum.
Napkin too, please. Can I just eat that and not eat the carrots? Or
My goodness.
what?
I think that's the best gravy.
Try it on my chicken.
Just dip a little piece in there if you want.
I need it. I have it on. Dad, we put some gravy on my chicken. Or shall I say, lover?
Should you say what?
Lover. Chicken and Yorkshire pudding.
Did you just do that with each other?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You're putting up with gravy.
That is so good.
What?
Say, fire. That's over now. Are those all of them?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
I think I missed a Saturday.
Hmm? I thought you said Saturday.
And it is amazing. What did you
I will
do?
never, ever, ever try that in the world.
What did you say?
The carrots are really good.
Did it get you?
Have you had one?
What?
Yeah, they're delicious. I'm getting you. Hang on.
And what's the Chiefs gonna lose today?
Sorry.
But they were close. They were very close.
Yep.
Because they both were in the 20s.
Yep.
The Buffalo Bills were 28 and we were 21.
I'm gonna need the other food that my mama makes for me. Not just the English roast. My own special.
This is our special lunch. Milk, 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 milk.
I think that's the best gravy I've made. Same with the potatoes. Need a bite of everything.
All together.
Yeah.
Oh, gross.
The one that used to not like her food to touch.
I was thinking that.
Wait, what? I would never want my food to touch. Stone.
Good.
Thank you for making dinner.
You're welcome. Dad, I made it too.
What's that about? It's her ring. It's blinding the audience.
She did want it. She did eat it.
ate your vegetables good. F you up, dude.
For dessert, we need mini chocolate chip cookies. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Done. Yeah.